Grand National Park, just above the heart of the Narrows. Doing something special. We're shooting a 360-degree video today. So in theory, you should be able to look all around you and follow me as I make my way down through the Narrows. Let's go. Okay, we are at the junction of the Virgin and Orderville Canyon. Take a look at Orderville, it's right over there behind you. We're going to go up and explore it for a little ways and then come back down and continue down and out the Narrows. This is the only real side canyon in the Narrows. You can also do it as a long day hike from the top. We're just short of the waterfall, but we're going to turn around here. We need to get back out of the Narrows before it gets dark. Let's go. Okay, we are back in the Narrows, so now we just need to go down canyon. Let's go. Getting darker. Okay, one of the deeper spots here. We made it just past the knees, not bad. Gotta keep it going, keep it going. Right ahead is Mystery Falls, coming in from Mystery Canyon. Okay, we have reached the end of the Narrows. Right up ahead of us is Riverside Walk. From there, it's just an easy mile back to catch the shuttle.